Guys, so today we are going to be playing some Escape the Ice Cream Obby, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, and yeah, so I'm gonna do, I think I might do another video after this one, so stay tuned for that one. So yeah, let's just do this thing. This is my first time playing on a computer. So I'm really bad at playing on a computer or laptop. So yeah, we're trying to make this Verizon. What is this, bro? Like, what is this, bro? What the heck? Okay. Like I said, we are really bad. Like I said, guys, we're really bad. Like I said, okay. So don't get mad at me. Get mad at my fingers and get mad at how I'm so bad. Okay. So finally we got through. Okay, we have to find a key. Wait, does this guy have the key? Nope, he doesn't. Does that beat? It's wireless. Right. This? Nope. Does the plant have the key? Nope. Oh, the key's right there. Okay, we got the key, guys. So we have to open this door. Okay, that was pretty easy. Alright, so we're in an event right now. And okay. Oh, wait, guys, wait. Woo. Um, this, and then 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 this, and then. Okay, that was pretty easy, guys. Let's go. That was pretty easy. So yeah, that was really easy. Let me fix my face cam a little bit. All right, that was pretty easy, guys. So I wasn't expecting it to be that easy. Okay. So there's so much vents in this ice cream man. I never knew. Oh, there's fans because like you know how you have to keep the ice cream like freezing cold. So, yeah, that's why there's fans, I think. Okay, so the vent is teleporting us somewhere. It's so cold in here. Okay, so that's what they need the fans. That's what they need the fans and the vents for, guys. That's what they need the fans and the vents for, because they need the ice cream to stay cold. Because you know it's an ice cream shop. Why wouldn't your ice cream be cold? It's so cold in here. I know, dude. Wait, I didn't even touch that. What? I did not even touch that. How? I don't know how. I don't know if you could hear me pressing the space bar, but yeah. Um, we go through here. Okay. I hope this is easy. If this is easy, then we're good. That. And I can't blame them there, guys. I can't blame them there. 4 minutes into the video, guys. Stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Of the worst player in Roblox right now. I'm a noob. I'm such a noob. Maybe I should start a new series of Roblox obbies called Noob. Called Newbie Noob. Dead end. Over here. Left, right is always right, guys. Right, right, and we have dead end. Okay, I guess right is not always right. Right? Okay, right is always right, guys. We found our way. Okay, then this, um, and this, this, this. So this, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Uh, you can only touch the melted ice cream. Is this the melted? Okay, this is the melted ice cream. That's actually tough. Alright, whatever though. I really don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Alright. Bam. Bop. Get your top. Alright. Man, that's not good. Right. Right is always right. Right is always right. Okay. Right is not always right. Alright. So, right. Left is always right. How is it not left? Alright, I guess center is always right. So it's right center. Oh yeah, right center. Right and center are always the best. And I didn't even touch it. What the? Okay. This and this. Let's go. Okay. I never seen. Oh, this is strawberry ice cream. I don't really like strawberry ice cream. Uh, this go go ice cream go. Okay. I think that's lemon ice cream. I don't like lemon ice cream either. I don't like chocolate either. I only like vanilla, guys. I only like vanilla and cookies and cream and mint and cotton candy. That's the only ice creams I like. Oh, wait, we don't even die? Oh, okay. How did I not die there? How did I die there? How did I die? That just proves I'm the worst player in Roblox. Like, all you have to do is walk across here. Like, that proves I'm the worst player in Roblox, okay? I'm really slow. Okay. Oh, gee, that's a giant ice cream. Guys, I'm gonna let you see the giant ice cream. I'm gonna take off my face cam for a while. Cause there's the giant ice cream. Okay, I'm gonna put them back on. Face cam back on. Alright. Alright. I got 8 by it. Wait, did I get? Oh yeah, I got 8. Okay. Looks like we got eaten. Okay. We can't touch the taste buds, guys. This is this tongue. I don't want to touch his nasty taste buds. They're like blue and green. He has been eating way too much ice cream because they're like cherry flavored ice cream. What is this inside his body? Is that even healthy for you? Alright, so here's a poop hole. Let's go. Alright. Boom! Stage 20. We passed his butt. The ice cream man's butt. This is a pretty nice obby so far. Alright. We passed! Let's go, guys. Hope you like this video. Tell your friends about this video. Tell everybody in your family about this video. And wait, let me do something. Let me do something. Let me just do something. Let's dance real quick. Um, wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. We can put you right here, YouTube. Wait, we can put you right here, Facecam. And let's dance real quick. Let's do that shoot. Oh yeah. Wait, we have to get out of that green thingy. The green pooper. Okay, let's do the shoot, boys. Alright, as you can see, we're done with this game. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next videos. Bye. Merry Christmas.